Hey Malkias, it's your girl D-Shell, aka Shelly, and I want to show you how to slay for Valentine's Day for bae. Ooh. So I already did my eyebrows, my color corrector, and I did my eyes. And my nails are true, but bear with me. And I got my new hair boo, new color, $30 wig. Oh yes, honey. So now I got my color Cool Tan LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'll place that on my lids to make my eyeshadow pop. Blending it in with my Real Technique sponge. And I got my famous air sponge. I'm going to place that on my eyelids to make the eyeshadow stick, making it a good primer. LA Girls. No, actually that's LA Colors. Smoky palette. I'm getting that brown color. And I'm just placing that on top of it. And I'm using the color Forbidden. That was 50 cents. 50 cents, y'all. 50 cents. Forbidden didn't play, y'all. And I tell you, this color is popping. 50 cent eyeshadow, really? Dollar General come through. Next, I'm going in my Juvia's palette. I'm getting that red color I always like to use, and I'm just making it a little, adding some dimension to my eyeshadow. Next, I'm gonna take that same concealer, Cool Tan color, and I'm just placing it on my lower lid so my eyeshadow can pop out even more. Next, I'm going back in the Juvia's palette. I'm going for that really pinkish color. It's really shimmery. The goal is to blend it all in. Have to blend. Next, I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild. This one is called Groupie, okay? And it's just some glittery shadow that you put on top, just to give base some sparkle. Ooh. I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild eyeliner. It literally stays on all day. And my favorite foundation that made really fit me, the color 355. And I'm going to buy some more. It just wasn't. And I'm going to blend that all in. Now I already have a video on how I highlight and contour. You can go ahead and check it out. Sasha palette and place it on all the highlighted areas. I don't know why I did that. It was pretty weird, but okay. So I'm contouring and I have a video, so check it out. I forgot to use my NYX spray before I put that eyelash on, but the eyelashes are done. They are on. So we're just going to blend that brush in. Next, I got my Revolution palette. It's a blush set, but I'm using it as highlight. I'm going in for that pink shimmery color. And I'm just highlighting. I'm going back with that color Forbidden, 50 cents, Dollar General, and I'm just going on my lower lids. I'm taking that same shimmery color I use as a highlighter and I'm placing that in my tear ducts. And I'm going back again in there and just placing that on my nose, all the little highlighted areas where the light issue. I got all these sticks. Alright, so I got my Circa. This is actually from New York & Company, and I'm gonna use this as liner. It's actually just a lipstick that's supposed to be used by itself. I want to be fancy. And then I'm gonna take my Revolution lip gloss, and I'm just gonna place that right on top. Next, I have my shimmery Wet n Wild lipstick. And it's too much shimmer. Like, I'm a matte girl. So this was a lot for me. So I'm just placing that Wet n Wild lipstick back. And I couldn't go out like that. That's not my style. So I need a little matte in my life. Like my eyes are already shimmery. That's just too much for me. So I went back with that circle. Next I grabbed my NYX buttercream, soft matte cream. And I'm just going right on top of that. Much better. So, Malkia, you don't know what to wear? I got you. Go shop on sagecollection.com or follow them at sage.collection so you can slay for bae. All right. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed. Stay royal. Bye.